Hello everyone, welcome to Civil Mania. So in today's lecture I'll be telling about how to change the shortcut commands in Revit Architecture. So first let me open Revit Architecture. In the Revit Architecture software you have to simply type K and S. You have to type simply K and S. After pressing K and S, actually KS stands for keyboard shortcuts. After pressing it, see here, you can simply modify all the shortcut commands such as this is the line model or line model lines or boundary lines. For that LI, either you can change LI to simply as new key as L, and after that assign it, see here, or you can else directly remove this one and you can keep only L as the model line command. Similarly, you can modify all the commands such as set workspace plan, show workspace plan, then link Revit, everything you can insert a new shortcut key. Suppose like my CM command is present here, that is place a component. So for that simply I will remove that command and I will assign a new command such as for component I will write C and assign it. Okay, after that you can press OK. So if I will now press C command, then it will directly go to the place a component. Okay, see here, shortcut place a component. First you have to create a model, then after that you can place a component. Suppose I will place one, I will make one architecture, and for that even I have changed the wall command. Suppose I will simply place the W command or line command. Okay, so after pressing the line command I can now make any wall. After making the floor plan, I can now place the component such as place a component. In this manner we can place a component or simply place component. So this is how you can change all the shortcut keys such as KS. Again press KS and you can change all the commands as it is. Actually most of the commands are written here, such as text is TX, or you can simply type the command as text TEXT. You can either change it to TEXT and press it, assign it and press OK. Either TX will the default command will work, or you can type TEXT and press OK. So either TX will, see, this is the text command, I have entered TX, or simply type TEXT. See, this is how the text command arises. In this manner we can change the shortcut commands as in Revit Architecture. So I hope it's clear to all of you. So in my next lecture I'll be telling about how to draw in Revit Architecture and how to import in Revit Architecture, as well as how to make a plan in a very shortcut manner, because nobody will teach you in this fashion, as I will show you in my next lecture. So if you like the video, then please press the like button and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. And thanks for watching my video. Have a good day. Take care.